Every strand begins with a steady flow of carefully selected wheat. The journey starts as raw ingredients enter a highly controlled production network. Automated handling systems move materials with precision and efficiency. Before processing begins, every batch is carefully monitored. Consistency starts with rigorous ingredient verification. Once approved, the ingredients continue deeper into production. Precise feeding ensures uniform processing from the very start. Powerful mills transform grain into the foundation of every noodle. The freshly milled flour moves seamlessly through the automated network. Now the raw ingredients are ready for the next stage of transformation. Behind these walls, automation drives one of the world's fastest food production systems. Strict hygiene controls protect every step of production. The process begins with controlled ingredient delivery. Advanced sifting systems ensure a smooth and consistent texture. Multiple safety layers protect the integrity of the final product. Precision batching keeps every noodle batch consistent. Even the water is carefully controlled for quality and consistency. Now the core ingredients meet inside high-capacity industrial mixers. Controlled agitation transforms loose ingredients into workable dough. With the ingredients fully prepared, the factory moves into large-scale noodle formation. The freshly mixed dough now begins its transformation into noodles. Industrial rollers create the foundation for precise noodle production. Each stage improves consistency, thickness, and texture. Uniformity is essential for every noodle produced. Advanced sensors verify every millimeter before cutting begins. The dough reaches the exact dimensions required for production. Precise positioning ensures clean and consistent cuts. The signature noodle shape emerges at remarkable speed. Careful handling preserves the structure of every strand. Next comes the controlled heat that defines the noodle's final character. Carefully controlled steam transforms raw dough into fully developed noodles. Rapid cooling stabilizes texture and prepares the noodles for handling. A controlled coating ensures smooth movement through the production line. Every portion is measured with remarkable accuracy. Automation gives each block a consistent shape and structure. Precision handling protects product quality at industrial scale. Drying is where shelf stability and durability begin to take shape. Every zone is engineered to achieve the perfect moisture balance. The transformation is complete, and the noodles are ready for final refinement. Advanced inspection systems verify consistency at production speed. Small adjustments create a polished and standardized product. Cleanliness remains essential throughout every stage. Every unit is tracked with precision and accuracy. Flavor components are prepared alongside the noodles themselves. Automation brings every component together in perfect sequence. Protective packaging preserves freshness from factory to consumer. Every package receives a secure and reliable closure. Full traceability follows every package leaving the factory. Before shipment, every package must pass one final series of tests. Quality verification continues long after production is complete. Every package must meet exact weight requirements. Advanced screening technologies add another layer of protection. Routine sampling helps maintain consistent product quality. Scientific testing confirms that standards are being met. Moisture control plays a critical role in product longevity. Performance in preparation is tested as carefully as production. Final approval data recorded.
Metrics are stable, inspection reports are clear.
Good, lab results are in. Every result is reviewed before a batch is released. With approval secured, the products are cleared for distribution. The final stage begins as production shifts from manufacturing to delivery. Individual packages are now prepared for large-scale distribution. Every carton is secured for safe transport across long distances. Automation handles thousands of products with unwavering precision. Protective wrapping stabilizes every load before storage. Finished products await their journey to markets across the country. Finished products await their journey to markets across the country. The final transfer prepares the product for nationwide delivery.
This pallet is secure.
Millions of servings are now ready to leave the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce noodles from start to finish.